Hi, welcome to Chris Cook for YouTube. I'm only going to be on a couple of minutes. Just want to show you a fast punch that you can have on your Christmas table. Only because it's so fitting for the occasion, because it's so festive. So let's get started with the ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need frozen lemonade, cranberry juice cocktail, Sprite, and you're going to need something to garnish it with. Down front we have some cranberries, lemons, oranges, limes, and I've already dished up some cranberries right over here. So we're going to get started with it. First, you're going to take your lemonade or your frozen lemonade, and you're going to put it into the container. And this is frozen, so it's coming out a little bit slow. Now, once you get that into your container, then you're going to go ahead and you're going to add your cranberry juice cocktail. Now you're going to add all of this, every bit of it. You're going to add the full frozen lemonade, which is going to be 12 fluid ounces. Then you're going to add this container of cocktail juice, which is going to be 64 fluid ounces. Move it over here before I knock something over. And then you're going to add your Sprite. And that's going to bring this all together. Now you're going to add some water. So I could go ahead and put the water in now. You won't need any sugar with this because we've diluted down the lemonade a little bit. Normally when you're using the lemonade in the frozen container, you would use 3 containers of water. So it would be 1 container of the lemonade mix, and it's frozen lemonade mix, and 3 containers of water. And you're going to go ahead and you're going to add all of your Sprite. Now this is very, very festive. You would enjoy it for the holiday. Because we added that little bit of extra water, I did it because we're using the Sprite, which is going to help to sweeten it, and so is the cocktail cranberry cocktail juice going to help to sweeten it. But if you want to add some sugar, by all means, just go ahead and add some sugar. But I don't really think that you would need it. Now I'm going to pour up a glass and show you how it looks. I'm going to add all of my festive fruit, and I'm going to add my cranberries, and I'm going to give it a little quick stir. Now how good does that look? And I'm going to put my little top on it. And there you have it. Now, I have a frosted glass that's sitting right here. So I'm going to go ahead and dip my frosted glass in some sugar. Okay. Now I've just made that real festive. Now because my container is so big, I'm going to turn it. And I'm going to add a little bit of ice to it. Just a few sprigs of ice. I'm going to add my fruit. Just a little bit of fruit. And I'm going to pour up some. Now I have to turn my container this way. And I'm going to add it. Now this is very simple, very quick, very easy. But I think it's something that you're truly going to enjoy. And it's going to look so festive on your holiday table. Now, you can serve this just like I'm serving it, which is just the regular beverage. Or you can take that beverage and you can use it as a mixer, if you know what I mean. So that's what I just wanted to bring to you today. Something that's quick and easy, but that would look very, very festive on your holiday table. So be sure to try it. I think if you try it, you are really going to enjoy it. And as always, thank you for watching Chris Cook for YouTube. Bye.